Good morning, students. We already done the formulas for the coordinate geometry. Exercise 7.2, this is part 7. So before the part 7, you have to do the part 6, then only you can do this part 7. So this is very interesting, very good exercise. Look here, and very important question also. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line which divides the join of 1 minus 1 7 and 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. You have to find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Look here, this you can represent this question in format. A point is given to you minus 1 and 7, B point is given to you 4 and minus 3, and this P, you will suppose this coordinate of P is P here. We have to find the point P which divides this line segment AB in 2:3. So look here, this first point we write here x1 is minus 1, y1 is 7, m is 2, n is 3, x2 is 4 and y2 is minus 3. These value you have to put in this formula P. The formula is P m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n and m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. So m is here 2, x2 is 4 and n is 3, x1 is minus 1 and m plus n you can write here 2 plus 3. Then m is again 2 and y2 is minus 3, n is 3 and y1 is 7. So you put all this value in formula, you get this P is 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 3, and second we get 2 minus 3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3. Look here, this you have to get this P is 8 minus 3 upon 5 minus 6 plus 21 upon 5. This P is 5 upon 5 and 15 upon 5. So last we get the solution is P equal to, the coordinate P is 1 and 3. So the coordinate P we get 1 and 3. This is the answer. Very good question. We have to find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment minus 1 joining 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. Look here, this question you will diagram. A point is 4 minus 1, B point is minus 2 minus 3, and P and Q divide this AB in trisection part. So look here this P divide AB in 1:2 and Q divide AB in 2:1. So look here, suppose P and Q divide the line segment AB in 3 equal parts trisection, then P divide AB in 1:2 and Q divide AB in 2:1. So look here, first we write this formula. P is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now this value you will put in this get here. Look here, place of m you will put, first we are finding the P point, so place of m1 and x2 is minus 2, n is 2 and x1 is 4 and this y2 is minus 3 and y1 is 1. These all value you put in this formula, you will get here P 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 upon 1 plus 2, and second coordinate 1 minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 we get. Now this P coordinate we solve, we get here P minus 2 plus 8 upon 3 minus 3 minus 2 upon 3, that final we get here P 6 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 3. 6 and 3 we can cancel, so coordinate of this P we get 2 and minus 5 upon 3. Look here, the same as it is we will find the Q. In Q you can do this place of 1 you can write 2 and place of 2 you can write 1. This only you will do the change, place of 1 and 2 you can change 2 and 1. You will get this coordinate Q. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 upon 1 plus 2, 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 upon 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1 you can write any, both is correct. You will solve here, you will get this Q point is 0 minus 7 upon 3. So look here, this coordinate P and Q, we get P coordinate is 2 minus 5 upon 3 and q is 0 minus 7 upon 3. Look at this point trisect this line segment AB. So all of you understand this. This is a very important question and many times given in board exam also. So look here, on that we will do one homework also. Find the coordinate of the points of the trisection of the line segment joining the points. A is given to you 2 minus 2 and B is given to you minus 7 4. So you will get this answer minus 1 and 0 and minus 4 and 2. Look here, same as it is one. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the point 4 and minus 3 and 8 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. So look here, this is the hint only. You will write the formula and you will solve, you will get the answer. Thank you and have a nice day.